Make a great choice today with the 2020 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.